In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature in PDFescape. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top here and click on where it says Secure and Sign. From here, you can see under Digital Signature, you have three different options, and the one we're going to be using to add a signature is this one, which is called Signed Document. Now, of course, you could just create a new appearance, select an image, and then create your signature that way, but the easiest way to sign a document is by clicking Sign Document up here. You can select your appearance, so you could either select a default appearance or create a new one, which of course again can be added from the menu we're able to see earlier. So this is basically how you want your signature to appear. And then you have the reason, so I'm just going to click on I am the author, and then the certificate could also be selected. So of course you could create a new one if you wanna by clicking new ID over here and then create one, and it's of course going to allow you to create a digital signature, or you could use any of the certificates already on your computer, which I'm going to do right now. And then you could do timestamp, enable or disable, and just click on sign over here, and then it's going to allow you to place this. I'm going to click over here, and there we go. It's going to also allow me to save this document. So if I just go ahead and just name this 123, save it into my downloads, click on save, there we go. As you can see, my document has now been signed. If I click on the signature, it says the signature is valid. So that's how to digitally sign. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.